Hi guys, today I am going to show you what Samsung Dex is and how to use it. So you might have a Samsung phone, right? Here is how many models support Samsung Dex. And for Samsung Dex you can use a cable or wirelessly. So today I'm going to be doing a cable, so let me show you. Okay, so now we have our monitor here. It is on, as you see. So we have a HDMI cable plugged in to a HDMI to Type-C. This Type-C will allow me to plug it in to the phone we'll be using, which is a S22 Ultra. So all you have to do is plug it in, or you need to unlock it. So after you've unlocked it, swipe down and find Samsung Dex. If not, just click on the edit and then add any that are here. Okay, so look, now Samsung Dex is turned on. I just set the photo, so now I am going to show you. You should find a notification thing to open the trackpad. So Samsung Dex might look a bit like this. Cursor works, it'll show a few instructions. So 4 fingers, tap on the screen, so 4 fingers, so tap. It opens the app menu, so you can 2 fingers gestures to swipe. You still have all your basic apps like YouTube, and you might want to change the setting. It will show you how to do it, where it maximizes all the apps, like a full window for you. And you can still play stuff, like even if I wanted to, I could connect my AirPods. So as you see, I just opened the app. I'll close that. So the way I can do this is, as you see, I have my earphones and I use a special software to connect these to a Samsung phone. So these are AirPods. I'm not using my Samsung ones today. Oh, wrong ear. So I'll put this in my ear. And noise cancelling is off, so I can still hear everything. Now I can choose where the audio will play from, if it will play here or the earphones. Okay, so let's just say you're done with it. It will automatically disconnect if yours will. So here's the things I'll go to the apps. Let's just say, I don't know. Let's just say notes, for example. You could ask Bixby. Or you can just find your notes app. And it looks like that. You can go out, and you can also just say, hey Bixby, open Samsung Gallery. And it will open it for you. So let's just say you want to do some work. You can connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to this, but you can also use your phone as a keyboard and your phone as a trackpad. And that's about it. No, I'm just joking. You can also use it as a normal display, but if you wanted to use it wirelessly, just make sure that the app or whatever it is that you use wirelessly is on, and then you go to Samsung Dex and choose which one, not cast it. So it would be like this, where I would scroll down. I'm going to end the Samsung Dex and unplug it. So scroll down, hit Samsung Dex, and then it says connect wirelessly. Then there's also a few more, like you can connect it with cable. Cable is the faster option because it's less laggy and more higher quality. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is my first video as well, so who knows.